Do I have to reconcile if I forgive? This is one of the most common and misunderstood questions after betrayal. Let's start by defining the difference between forgiveness and reconciliation. Forgiveness means internal release. Forgiveness is about you. It's the choice to release the bitterness, resentment, or anger that weighs you down. Forgiveness does not excuse what happened, it frees you from carrying the poison of their choices. Reconciliation means rebuilding the relationship. Reconciliation is the process of choosing to stay, to rebuild, and to trust again. This requires effort from both partners, honesty, accountability, and a consistent commitment to healing. Here's the key: one can exist without the other. You can forgive without reconciling, allowing you to move forward without holding on to bitterness. Or you can forgive and choose reconciliation if it feels safe and right for you. Both are valid and neither is required. Forgiveness is for your healing. Reconciliation is for the relationship. You get to decide what forgiveness means in your journey, whether that's moving forward together or apart. Tomorrow, on day 25, we'll talk about one of the most vulnerable steps: rebuilding physical intimacy safely.